Hi everybody, welcome to AAA Adventures, which is in Revelstoke, BC in Canada. Now, the location of the base is right by the Revelstoke Mountain Resort. Now what it is it's a tour that takes you to Zippermouth Creek, which is maybe about 20 minutes from the base. Now, AAA starts for Affordable Angling Adventures. Now what happens is you have a really wonderful tour guide who is an instructor as well, who will show you how to fly fish. Now I've hardly fly fished in my life, so I'm going to learn a lot today. So when we get down to the creek, we will show you lots then. And just to mention, what they do is you have to drive on this logging road here. See it right here? Maybe about 20-minute drive from the base. And so when we get down there, we will talk then. How are we continuing the tour? Now here we are on the embankment. We came down from the logging road. Now this right now is the furthest interior rainforest in all of North America. A lot of moss and so on and very dense terrain. Look at the trees here. Look at the trees here. Look at how thick they are there. You can see that there. There's some other ones right here. I'll stand right by this one here. This is me beside this tree, just to get an idea. Okay, now, they're quite tall as well. Now look up there, way up to the top. See how it goes way up there like that? Okay. All right, so we're heading to the creek, which is just down there right now. Okay. So when we get down to that creek, we'll talk then. All right, here we are at Zippermouth Creek. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of rocks right here. You can see, look at these rocks. A lot of these rocks, you see this? Are very, very smooth. There's an easy explanation for that. That being that this river, you know, when the level is higher, goes all over this area here. So obviously these rocks get smoothed out with erosion. Okay, now, you can see right here, there's a river in the background there. It goes around here. Don't trip on the rocks, folks. It goes around here. It goes around here. Over to here. Now look up the top of the mountain there. That's where we are right there. Okay, so let's start having some fun. However, here's the first part of the tour. Now here we have some of the ones that are below surface flies. Now what happens is you put them on the fly, and when they go below the surface, and the trout will come up and snap them up below the surface. So what you're doing is you're imitating a subsurface insect. However, here's what I've learned. Now here we have the wet fly fish here. We have it, we're reeling in. There's nothing on it right now, but this is how you do it. You wait until it changes color here. In like this, and sort of see a bit of color change here. So I just pull up like this. Remember, I'm a complete. Whoa! Did I get a bite? No, I did. Okay, bring up like this, and you go out like that. And do this go here, and then let it go downstream like that. Okay, then it goes downstream there. You can see it going downstream there, and then you start to reel it in a bit. And if you get a bite, well, you're lucky. If you don't get a bite, well, hey, this is just learning, so we're showing you what I've learned right now. So just get it down like this. Start to reel it in. Well, you saw earlier, I probably got it caught on a rock, so. Reel it in. Change color, you just bring it up, and you basically do the same thing again. Just ready to do it again. Okay, folks, there you go. Hi, folks. Here we are doing the dry fishing. Now, what happens here is we have the fly is at the edge of the surface right there. You see right there? So the edge of the surface right there. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to pull it in right now, and just go right up. Okay, folks. When it starts to sink, it's useless. You have to pull it back. Let's see if I get some luck here. I think it's starting to sink. So we'll do it again. Or actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to false cast this side and dry it off of it. So here we go. Let's try this. This will dry it off of it. This might help my cause here. One more go. I just went. Do it again. Keep going. Okay, so now we're going to do it again. So we're going to do the thing where you just see if we get a bite here. You know, let us try one more for good luck. There we go. not? Let's try a fourth time. You never know. One more. Okay, no luck, but hey, remember, I'm a beginner.
Yep.
Guys, I'm doing the floss cast here. Let's dries it off.
Okay, let it out there.
Okay. Now go out. See if we catch another fish.
Okay, roll it back. Roll it back out there. Okay, false cast.
Keep your balance too.
Yeah, put it down.
Yep. Again.
And one more. I gotta get the net. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep that pressure. Steady pressure is the key. No slack. Lift up. Yes, sir. Hey, fly fishing.
There we go.
There you go. Cut through. Let go of the line.
Okay.
And the fly's out. There's a little fish for you, my man. What do you think?
That was really good. Hey.
Dry fly fishing.
There we go. We learned our lesson.
Okay, let's let him go.
Let's let him go, hey? Okay.
See you later, buddy.
However, here we are terminating the tour. Now, I thought I'd better show you a little more downswing. You can see that in the distance right there? Very beautiful scenery there. Okay. Now, if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe to my channel and maybe give me some comments on there because I have super thanks. It would benefit me and benefit other people as well. Okay, so this is the AAA Adventures in Revelstoke. You have to do it.